Today we will show you how to make coffee with coffee maker. This coffee maker is from Fabrelic company. The name of coffee maker is Geyser. First of all, before use it, actually we need to wash it to clean it because it may be dangerous for our life. After wash it carefully, we need to put water in the coffee maker. Actually, if you drink 2 cups of water, you need to add 2 cups. If you drink 3 cups of water, you need to add 3 cups. We're gonna use just 1 cup before I'm going to drink just myself. And mostly I use 1 teaspoon for 1 cup, and that's why I'm gonna put 1. But this cup is a little bigger, that's why I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons, and then I'm gonna close it. Okay, and closing the pot carefully. Now it's last part, and we're gonna turn on gas and put the pot on the gas. And after some minutes we will hear the noise, boiling noise, and after the boiled water go up to make coffee. But be careful, and under part the water done, it's gonna be dangerous because you can burn it. You just need to wait there. It's gonna just happen in 3 or 4 minutes. It's all done. Again, I'm telling you, don't never forget, empty pot on the gas. It's gonna burn easily. As you see, it has been boiled. Now it's ready. You can serve and you can enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my video and keep in touch with my channel. Thank you. Enjoy.